This video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called ProcessorSelect. ProcessorSelect is a new adware that may attack Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers on Mac computers. ProcessorSelect adware, once installed, may periodically display its really junk and intrusive ads. These ads are obviously annoying and they actually prevent you from concentrating on things that are really important. Also, this ProcessorSelect adware may periodically cause unwanted browser redirections to random and junk websites. So if it was found on your computer somehow, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, to be convinced that your computer is free of other infections, I recommend you to scan it with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button. The software is also available for other operating systems. Download it, install it, and start researching this system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.